Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Mrs. Chan.
Hi, Miss
Good.
Mara.
Oh, yeah. Hi there. Good evening to you, Mrs. Chan. How are you?
How are you? I'm good.
Oh, that's good to know.
Okay, you too?
Yeah, I am good today. It's just a
Okay.
little bit rainy today here in my city
Ah,
because there is a typhoon.
little raining.
Yeah, because there is a typhoon.
Hmm.
So yeah.
Ah, um, this place today is little snow and
Uh-huh.
little raining.
So it's a little cold today then.
Okay.
Okay. Have you eaten your dinner, Mrs. Chan?
No.
Why not?
Hmm. My husband, not at home.
He's not at home yet.
Okay.
Ah, but
Yeah. Okay.
did you cook dinner?
Okay.
That's good. What did you cook for dinner, Mrs. Chan?
Hmm. Today's dinner, kimchi 볶음밥.
Kimchi bokkeumbap.
Yeah. Oh, you know?
Oh yeah, I know kimchi
Mm.
bokkeumbap. I tried it
Mm.
before
Mm.
like in a Korean restaurant.
Mm. Korean restaurant?
Yeah.
You had eat kimchi 볶음밥?
Yeah. I
Ah.
tried it before.
Mm.
So yeah, it's good. I like it.
Ah. No spicy?
A little bit spicy.
Ah, you like spicy?
I do like spicy, Mrs. Chan.
Oh,
So yeah, I like uh
okay.
it's like my spicy is like my comfort food.
Me
So
too.
oh yes, you do. You too.
Okay,
You
okay.
like spicy food too.
Okay, okay.
Oh, yeah, me too. I like spicy food too.
Oh,
What about this lunch? What did you eat for lunch, Mrs. Chan?
lunch.
Mhm.
Uh, today lunch I met my friend
Mhm.
had lunch.
You had lunch with your friend. Where?
Okay, okay. Restaurant.
What did you eat together?
음, 고르곤졸라 pizza
Uh-huh.
and tomato spaghetti
Uh-huh.
and chopstick salad
Uh-huh.
uh, and little beer.
A little beer.
Okay, little beer.
Ah,
Okay,
okay.
and one menu. menu. 웬일? 볶음밥이었는데, 음, I forget.
You forgot? I see.
Okay,
Did you
I
work
forgot.
today?
Hmm?
Did you work today?
Uh, today, work?
Did you work today?
Uh, did you work today?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. No, I work, tomorrow.
Ah,
Uh,
okay. So that's why you didn't you had lunch with your friend.
again?
You had lunch with your friend because you didn't go to work.
No, no. My friend is, I chatted.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Had lunch and chatted.
Okay. So Was it like your best friend or your work friend?
아, 음, 어, best friend
Uh-huh.
for,
4 years?
okay. No, no, no. Four person.
Ah, 4 persons. So four
Okay.
people.
Oh, people. Okay.
Like where did you meet them? I mean,
Meet,
how did you become friends?
uh, I can understand.
Okay. Let me share my screen, Mrs.
Okay.
Chen, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Can you see my screen now, Mrs. Chen?
Okay.
Okay, so how did you become friends?
Ah, mm, we, we, we are meet. We are met.
We met.
We met.
Uh-huh.
We met. Uh, play tennis.
Uh-huh.
Okay. We met playing tennis.
So
Hmm.
you were what do you call that? So you were
And same,
workmates.
and same age.
How old were you when you meet them?
Mm, oh, my friend or is 15-7.
Uh-huh.
My or 15-7.
Okay. So you were
Okay.
like 57 years old.
Okay, 15-7 years or okay.
I see. Okay, that's a great time, Mrs. Chan.
Okay.
Yeah, like drinking with your friend is, I think it's like a great time.
Okay. Great time.
Yeah.
I'm so happy and
Uh-huh.
great time.
Oh,
Okay.
good. That's good to know, Mrs. Chan. What about
Okay.
this weekend, Mrs. Chan? What's your plan?
We can. I will go to Busan.
Really? With whom?
Mm-mm. Mm, because I'm because I'm working.
So you will go. How many days are you staying there?
2 days.
Just mm,
Saturday, Sunday. 3 days.
uh for 3 days.
Okay.
Okay. I hope you will have a great weekend, Mrs. Chan.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Now, Mrs. Chan, let's go to your book now. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. Let me have, okay.
Mm.
Now, this time, Mrs. Chen, do you still remember the words we learned last time?
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Now, this time, let's go to the next page, 27.
Mm. Mm.
Okay, now I want you to complete, Mrs. Chan,
Okay.
the sentences with the correct words from the box.
Okay.
Okay, so let's have number one.
Okay. My friend's house in 10. My friend's house is 10 minutes from here.
Okay, yeah, my friend's house is 10 minutes from here.
Here. Okay. Mania.
Mhm.
My
What
friends.
about
Mm.
number two?
Okay. Marty in the musical at his school. Hmm. Marty in the musical at his school. Okay. Marty stars in the musical at his school.
What? Stars?
Okay, stars?
No,
No.
no. Do you
Mm,
know the word musical?
okay, musical. Okay. Oh, musical.
Yeah, so
Okay. At his school. 마르티는 그의 학교에서 sing. Okay.
that's
Marty
right.
sing in the musical.
Sing.
Okay. At
Mm-hmm.
his school. Okay. Sing.
Sing.
Okay,
Okay,
sing.
number three.
Okay. The has one store. Ah, the town has one store. One
That's
store. Town.
yeah, the
Okay.
town.
Okay. Mm,
Number 4, Mrs. Chan.
okay. She likes to when she is alone. 그냥 혼자 있을 때,
Ah,
she just
we have here.
okay. Okay. She likes to start when she is alone.
Oh,
No?
okay. So I think there's something wrong.
Mm.
She likes to stars when she is alone.
No.
There's something wrong with this
She
book.
likes
Oh,
to sing. She
yeah, I
likes
think.
to sing when she is alone.
Okay.
Okay?
Marty is the star. It's supposed to be the star. Uh, Marty stars in the musical artist. There's
Okay.
something wrong with this book. I
Mm.
mean, okay. There's something wrong.
음. 마티는
It's supposed to be like the star in the musical because
musical
he likes.
star. Musical star?
No, there's
No?
no,
No.
no,
His school musical star? No.
no. Something,
Oh.
there's something wrong with the book.
Ah.
Okay, so we don't use stars here because supposed to be sing. She likes to.
Okay.
You can just
Uh,
because this one it could be possibly this one. Marty sing in the musical artist because she likes to. We can say she likes to watch stars when she's alone.
ah.
Yeah, because we can use stars here. Like she likes to watch
Um,
stars when she's alone.
mm, mm,
Yeah, but
mm.
there's something wrong with this one.
Okay.
This one too, we
Mm,
can also put sing.
okay.
So yeah, we're not going to use stars anymore.
Mm,
Sing.
mm.
There's something wrong with the book.
Okay, okay. What star? Okay. Ah. She likes to when she's alone, what, which is star? Okay.
Yeah, you can just like
Mm.
sing when
Ah,
she
okay,
likes to
okay.
sing when she's alone.
Mm-mm. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Mm.
So we have number 5.
Okay. Mike sits on the
Okay, yeah, Mike sits on the sofa.
sofa. Okay. Mike sits on the sofa.
Okay, very good. Mike sits on the sofa.
Mm.
Now we have here,
Mm.
use the hints and words in the box to complete the puzzle.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start with across. Number 2.
Okay. Two.
Mhm.
Okay. Two. We about con con count to
We blank about countries in class.
countries in class. We about countries in class. Okay, learn.
Okay, we learn about countries in class.
Countries?
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Do you understand the word countries?
no.
Uh, l-
Countries?
uh-huh.
Countries? Countries?
Countries. Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Countries
Countries?
like Philippines, Japan.
Ah, country.
Mm-hmm. Countries. We
ah,
learn countries
ah, okay,
in
okay.
the class.
Ah, countries. Okay, Congolese is English speaking country.
That's language. English.
Mm. Uh, um, uh, English and Korea. English plus Korea, Konglish.
Konglish.
Okay.
So,
English countries. Konglish,
ah, uh-huh.
Konglish country.
Konglish. Okay. So that's what we call in Korean. Like,
Okay.
Korean in English.
Okay.
Konglish.
Konglish. Okay.
Okay. I've learned something in the class.
Konglish. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, um,
So,
uh, Konglish, again.
mm-hmm.
English again.
Again.
Konglish again.
Ah.
Um, apple,
Mm-hmm.
English, apple. Konglish.
Apple. Uh-huh. Okay. So like
You know?
Korean
You know?
English. I
Okay.
understand.
Okay.
So that like there's Korean English.
Okay. Korean English, Korean English, Korea people call Konglish.
Konglish. We also have here in the Philippines
Okay.
like Tagalog. Tagalog is Philippine language.
Huh?
Tagalog and English, Taglish.
Konglish?
Taglish.
Forget
Yeah, Tagalog
Huh?
is the language in the Philippines.
Okay.
Then we have English, so that's Taglish.
Ah, 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 Tanglish.
Yeah,
Okay.
Taglish in my
Tanglish.
country.
Tanglish. Tanglish.
Yeah,
Okay.
in your country
Ah,
it's Konglish.
okay. Tanglish.
So,
You
yeah.
Tanglish.
Yeah, I
Me
do tag.
Konglish.
I
Okay.
see. Okay, I've learned that.
Okay. Ah, countries.
Yeah,
Countries.
countries.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so let's have number 4, Mrs. Chan.
Okay. I do not know I do not know. I do not know the answer. I do
Mm-hmm.
not know the answer.
I do not know the answer.
Okay, I do not know the answer. Mm,
Okay, I do not know the answer.
mm.
All right, now let's have down. Number 1.
Number one, I about my family. Um, I about my family. I about my. I think about my family.
Okay, I
Mm,
think about my family. Okay, that's a
okay.
good one.
Okay.
Number 2.
Two
Down.
down down.
Mm-hmm.
I to read to. Ah, so
I blank to
I
read.
like to read.
That's right. I
Mm,
like to read.
mm, mm.
Okay, what about number 3, last one?
Okay. Uh, the song is the song is long. Three
Okay, okay. The song is long.
long.
Okay, there you go. So, do you understand now, Mrs. Chan?
Okay, I
Okay,
understand.
nice. Okay, now this time, let's practice reading.
Reading.
Mhm.
Okay. Mm,
Okay, let's read this one, Mrs. Chan, please. I will
okay.
read first.
No, I'm reading.
Okay, go.
Okay. Do you want to find a movie to watch? Go see Summer Song with your friends. two great two great actors star in this true story. It is about a man who cannot speak. He can only sing, but he is a bad singer. Singer, okay. The people in the town think he is too loud. What they do? You learn the answer at the end. Buy a sweet snake. Sit down and enjoy summer song. You will like every minute of it. I cannot wait to see it again.
Okay. So there is a movie called Summer Song.
Okay.
So, okay. Can you tell me what happened in the story in Summer Song?
Hmm. I guess. Uh, just a moment.
All right. Okay. Take your time.
Okay. Just a moment.
All right.
Okay. Do you want to find a movie or read or watch? Hmm. Go see summer song with your friend. 우리 친구들이 great actors star in this true story. It is about a man who cannot speak. He can only sing, but he is better singer. The people in the town think he is too loud. What do they do? You learn the answer at the end by a sweet snake. Sit down and enjoy summer song. Summer song. Summer song? You will like every minute of it. I cannot wait to see it again. What summer song?
A Summer Song is a movie.
Ah, ah, movie's name is Summer Song?
Mm-hmm.
Ah,
Okay.
okay,
So this is a true story.
okay.
Yeah. Okay. So can you tell me what is the story about? The Summer Song. What is the Song about?
Uh, about?
Uh-huh.
Okay. This story about Summer Song?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Your question?
Yeah. What is the
Okay.
Summer Song about?
What is Summer Song about? 뭐에 대해서 물어봤냐고? Hmm, I can understand.
You don't understand the question?
Hmm,
Okay. What is the movie
hmm.
about?
아, okay. The movie. 아, 음, two, 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 two actor story.
No.
어? 어, two actors star in this true story.
No. The answer is it's about a man who cannot speak.
아,
So the
who can
story is about a man who cannot speak.
man who cannot speak.
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
Yeah, okay.
about a man who cannot speak. Okay. Mm,
Okay. So yeah,
mm,
I think you
mm.
can like if you have time, you can watch Summer Song.
Again?
If you have time, you
Mm,
can look for Summer Song. You can
mm,
if you have time,
mm,
have time, you can watch
Mm.
it. This movie, Summer
Ah,
Song.
ah. Oh, I don't know summer song.
Yeah, if you have
Oh,
time. If you have time, you can watch it.
yes. I hope.
Yeah,
Okay.
only if you have time.
Mm.
Okay, so do you have any question about this, Mrs. Chan?
Mm. Mm. I can reading.
I mean, do you
I
have questions?
I I can this reading this story.
No, you can watch it.
Mm. Um. This story. I can reading.
No. You
No.
can watch. The
Ah.
title of the movie is Summer Song.
Mm. Mara. Mara.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. I can this story reading. I cannot this story understand.
I don't understand.
Uh,
You don't understand.
okay, this story I cannot understand, but I I reading I can.
I don't understand. I'm sorry. What
No,
do you mean? Do you
mm,
understand this one or no?
no,
You don't
but
understand.
oh, but I'm reading.
Ah,
I
o-
can.
okay. So this
Mm,
passage you don't understand.
okay.
Okay, okay. Well, okay. So,
Mm,
Summer Song
mm,
mm, is a true story. It's
mm,
about a man. Oh, hello. Hello, Mrs. Chan. Hello.
hello,
Okay, hi.
hello, Mara.
Uh-huh.
My com is update.
I see. Okay. So
Okay.
we'll just have this. So, Mrs.
Okay.
Chan, the summer song is
Okay.
a story. It's about
Mm,
who can't speak.
mm.
Yeah.
I cannot, he cannot speak.
Yeah,
Okay.
but he can only
About
sing.
only thing.
But he is a bad singer.
Mm.
Yeah. And then
Oh,
people
uh,
think people in the town
in
think
the
he is
sound
too
thing.
loud.
Loud, loud.
Yeah,
Okay.
very
Mm,
loud.
mm,
So,
mm, mm.
yeah. So that's all about.
So,
So
uh,
what do they do?
you
Uh,
you
it's that like
learn.
you will learn the answer at the end. If you
Mm,
buy a sweet snack, sit
Mm?
down and enjoy summer songs. So that means you have to watch here if you want
Mm.
to know the
Okay.
ending.
Mm. Mm.
So,
Okay.
like,
Okay.
okay, do you
Mm.
understand now, Mrs.
Okay.
Chen?
Okay. I'm ready.
A little, okay. So,
Okay.
since we don't have much time, we will talk about it next class. Okay, Mrs. Chen?
Okay.
Okay, have a good night, Mrs. Chen, and have a good, great weekend. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.